Jasmy coin value expectation rundown. The negative cost expectation for Jasmy coin, Jasmy, in 2025 for the most part is $0.0106, with a likely lovely high of $0.0137, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. As of the most recent update, Jasmy coin basically is exchanging at around $0.0054, which certainly is genuinely critical. The essentially normal extended cost for Jasmy coin in 2030 is supposed to be $0.5065, with truly expected change somewhere in the range of $0.4926 and $0.5783, which is very critical. Long-haul examination recommends the Jasmy coin cost might actually flood to $6.82 by 2050 in a for the most part significant manner. There is most certainly potential for Jasmy coin cost to encounter a huge flood, coming to as high as $5.10 toward the finish of 2040. Starting around 06 January 2024, Jasmy coin especially is exchanging at $0.0054 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.24% in kind of most recent 60 minutes, or so they by and large thought. Jasmy in every way that really matters has a sort of complete market cap of $268,355,473, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $32,037,113, which generally is genuinely huge. This generally makes Jasmy coin, Jasmy, in every way that really matters, positioning at 167 in the cryptographic money market in an unpretentious way. In the event that you for the most part are a crypto financial backer, and considering what fundamentally is the Jasmy coin cost expectation end of 2024, what will Jasmy coin especially be worth in 2024 and in every practical sense, huge way? Is Jasmy coin a genuinely wise venture or sort of worth purchasing in 2024 in an unobtrusive manner? Will Jasmy cost truly outperform its unsurpassed high, as opposed to mainstream thinking? These really are our Jasmy coin cost expectations for Jasmy's future, or so they essentially thought. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation 2024, as per the Jasmy coin estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2024 the Jasmy cost by and large is supposed to in a real sense cross a very normal value level of $0.0080, the normal all things considered, least value worth of Jasmy coin, toward the finish of the fundamentally current year, ought to be $0.0078, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Besides, Jasmy can arrive at a most extreme value level of $0.0091. Jasmy value figure January 2024. In January 2024, the cost of Jasmy coin in a real sense is gauged to really be at around a base worth of $0.0053, or so they fundamentally thought. The Jasmy coin value worth can arrive at a truly limit of $0.0060, with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of $0.0058 in United States dollars, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Jasmy coin value gauge February 2024. In February 2024, the cost of Jasmy coin generally is supposed to especially be at around a sort of least of $0.0057, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Jasmy coin cost can truly arrive at a really limit of $0.0062, with the essentially normal cost of $0.0059 in United States dollars, which sort of is very critical. Jasmy coin value figure walk 2024. The in every practical sense, normal cost of Jasmy coin, Jasmy, could sort of go to $0.0062 toward the finish of walk 2024, which really is genuinely huge. Jasmy could essentially be exchanging around a sort of most extreme worth of $0.0064, with the genuinely least expected cost of $0.0059, which is very critical. Jasmy coin value expectation April 2024. Jasmy coin cost most certainly is supposed to fundamentally reach between $0.0060 to $0.0067 in April 2024. While the by and large normal cost of Jasmy for the April truly remains around $0.0063. Jasmy value conjecture May 2024. The Jasmy coin estimate for May 2024 expects that the Jasmy may essentially arrive at a sort of greatest worth of $0.0070, with a base cost of around $0.0063, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Discussing the especially normal value Jasmy can explicitly stretch around $0.0065 for May in a by and large huge manner. Jasmy value figure June 2024. With respect to June 2024, Jasmy coin most certainly is supposed to in every way that really matters arrive at any rate value worth of $0.0065. The Jasmy cost could fundamentally arrive at a kind of greatest cost of $0.0073, with the genuinely normal cost around $0.0068, or so they thought. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value estimate July 2024. For July 2024, the cost of Jasmy coin for the most part is explicitly anticipated to, in every practical sense, arrive at a typical cost of $0.0069, while the coin could exchange between an all things considered limit of $0.0075 and a truly least of $0.0067, or so they all things considered thought. Jasmy coin value expectation August 2024. Jasmy coin cost in a real sense is supposed to especially reach between $0.0068 to $0.0079 in August 2024, while the genuinely normal cost of Jasmy for the August truly remains around $0.0071. Jasmy coin value conjecture September 2024. The in every practical sense, normal cost of Jasmy coin, Jasmy, could go to $0.0073 toward the finish of September 2024. Which basically is very huge. Jasmy could be exchanging around a very greatest worth of $0.0082, with the fundamentally least expected cost of $0.0071 in a huge manner. Jasmy coin value gauge October 2024. The by and large normal cost of Jasmy coin, Jasmy, could truly go to $0.0076 toward the finish of October 2024, which sort of is very huge. Jasmy could fundamentally be exchanging around a most extreme worth of $0.0085, with the really least expected cost of $0.0073, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Jasmy coin value gauge November 2024. The exceptionally normal cost of Jasmy coin, Jasmy, could in a real sense go to $0.0078 toward the finish of November 2024, or so they thought. Jasmy could be exchanging around an especially greatest worth of $0.0088, with the extremely least expected cost of $0.0075, showing the way that Jasmy could fundamentally be exchanging around a most extreme worth of $0.0085, with the base expected cost of $0.0073, which sort of is very huge. Jasmy coin value gauge December 2024. In December 2024, the fundamentally most extreme cost for Jasmy coin could in every way that really matters stretch around $0.0